Hey everybody, it's me, William Connor Sherlock, and today I decided to calculate the tick rate of the universe. So for those of you who don't know what a tick rate is, let me explain. Tick rate is a term used in video games to tell how many times per second the world updates. Each tick, the game will check for all player inputs as well as environmental actions or changes. This means that if a game has a tick rate of 60, then every 60th of a second the world will change. That explanation was a bit rushed, but for our purposes, tick rate is just referring to how many times per second change can occur in the universe. Now that we have all that basic understanding of what tick rates are, we can get into discussing how we can calculate the tick rate of real life. So to find the tick rate of real life, we need two things. The first is the fastest speed that anything can go, and the second is the smallest unit of measurement in existence. We're going to start off with finding the fastest speed. This part is easy, as the fastest anything can travel is the speed of light. But how fast does light actually travel? Well, very fast. Light travels 299,792 kilometers per second. Now that we have this, we can go from kilometers to inches to find out that light travels 11,802,834,723.568 inches in 1 second. So now that we have that number, we can look into finding the smallest unit that the world is comprised of. In video games, this would be a pixel, or any other set measurement system in the game. In real life, the smallest unit in existence is an atom, so this will be our equivalent. The smallest atoms are around zero point 0.1 nanometers in diameter. There are 24 million nanometers in 1 inch, so this brings us to 240 million atoms in 1 inch. So now we have the distance and the time, so all that's left is to multiply the amount of atoms in 1 inch by the distance light can travel in 1 second to get a tick rate of 2,282,683,333,656,320,000 ticks per second. Alternatively, you could say that there is one tick every 0.000 this much seconds.